Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Boditech Ichroma Free T4. On the top over here we can see the brand name Boditech Biotechnology. Then the product of Ichroma Free T4. This is the overall top view. In this side we can see the product name Ichroma Free T4. This kit is used to measurement the free T4 levels in human serum, whole blood or plasma. The introduce also refers the Ichroma Free T4 is a fluorescence immunoassay FIA for the quantitative determination of free T4 free Thyroxine in human whole blood serum plasma. It is useful in height measurement, the assessment of thyroid function for IVD use only. Here we can see the reference number of this kit is CFPC M-164. This is the reference number of this kit. This kit contains 25 individual cartridges, 25 individual detector tubes, 25 30 microliter capillary tubes, 1 detector dilute, 1 ID chip, 1 instruction for use. This kit contains these are the samples and cartridges. Over here we can see this is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. This kit contains 25 cartridges, 1 instruction manual also. Over here we can see the lot number, expiry date and manufacturing date also. This is the overall view of this product. Here we can see the other sides. In this side we can see the product name Ichroma. On the product back side we can see the brand name Boditech Medical International. This is the manufacturing address of this kit. This kit is manufactured from Republic of Korea. So the origin of the kit is Republic of Korea. Over here we can see the address. On this side we can see the brand name Boditech Biotechnology. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. On the top we can open this kit. After opening we can see the instruction manual on the top. I am going to take this. And next one is Ichroma Free T4 detector tube. 25 individual detector tubes in this pack. And next one is 30 microliter capillary tubes. Here we can see the 25 individual 30 microliter capillary tubes. There are 25 individual capillary tubes here. I am going to keep this. And next one is a free T4 detector dilute. And next one is ID chip, free T4 and 25 individual cartridges. Here we can see one by one. The first one is Boditech Ichroma. Over here we can see the brand name Boditech Biotechnology. Brand name Ichroma Free T4. Here we can see the hint and use, introduction, principal components, warnings and precautions, then limitations, storage and stability. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And next one is a 25 individual detector tube. Over here we can see Ichroma Free T4 detector tube. Then expiry date. This pack contains 25 detector tubes. This is a C certificate IVD product. And also we can see the reference number CFPC 164. I am going to keep this aside. We already see the capillary tube. There are 25 individual capillary tubes. This packed in the cover, well packed. And the next one is detector dilute. Here also we can see the Ichroma Free T4 detector dilute. Volume of 25 ml. Here we can see volume of 25 ml. The next one is ID chip for free T4. Also mention the lot number. On the front side we can see Ichroma ID chip. On the last one is Ichroma free T4 test cartridge. Here also we can see the lot number, expiry date. One pack contains 1 cartridges. So there total of 25 cartridges in this kit. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Boditech Ichroma free T4. This kit contains one instruction manual, a 25 individual detector tube, 25 microliter capillary tube, a 25 ml of free T4 detector dilute, 1 ID chip and 25 individual test cartridges. This is the overall view. Thank you.